We usually work out of our living room, and she had easy access to those documents, so I wasn't surprised that she had been able to get her hands on them. But I was shocked to my core that she was sending those things to the last people I would want. I knew for a fact that my father would 100% use this against me to help my brother get ahead of me. I also figured out why my girlfriend was selling me out, because after everything that she sent him, my dad would specify a certain amount of money and would inform her that it had been sent, and she would confirm that she had received it. So she was selling me out quite in the literal sense of the phrase. And I was disgusted when I realized what was going on, because she was actually spying on me for my parents in exchange for money. And it wasn't just pictures of documents and paperwork that was integral to the business that I was setting up, but she would also tell him other things about me, like who from the family I met with, what I told my relatives about them, and worst of all, she would even rap me out whenever I would talk badly about them or my brother, even to her. And she would get paid for all of it. For context, my girlfriend is a freelance writer. She used to have a stable job, but she quit and decided to strike out on her own a couple of months after we started dating, because I had told her that I would support her until she was able to support herself. And that hadn't happened yet, so